ukiwa wrong unaanza kufanya nini?
I am in Nyari. I'm looking for fuel. One of the issues with my choice of fuel station and how loyal I am to them is that sometimes they have like dead spots in Nairobi. Like the whole of this area of Nairobi is a dead spot for Rubis. So I need to ride quite far actually just to get to fuel. You know, hedging should be a thing. Like, you know how planes like they'll buy like fuel in advance at a fixed price, so it doesn't matter if the price fluctuates up or down, they'll always pay a fixed price regardless of market conditions. Sometimes it works in their favor when the price of oil goes up, and other times it works against them when the price of oil goes down. But either way, you've already planned it out, like you've planned for it. So even me, I pay for my fuel in advance. I don't know if you understand, because you load a card, and so that fuel is supposed to take you for a certain amount of time. So if I put like 10 Gs, that fuel is for like who knows how long. So for like a month. And then, and that's true because genuinely, you know, I ride a lot. I spend 4 hours on my bikes every day, an average of 4 hours every day. It's actually a little bit insane. So I spend a lot of money on fuel. So it's a little bit crazy. But anyway, what I'm saying is, it would be cool if the price of fuel didn't go up and down so much. And if I could mitigate against that by like hedging my fuel prices, like the way planes do, airlines do. But in any case, it's fine because my fuel costs are already the lowest possible cost that I can get in this country legally. Because I pay, so when the fuel price goes up by 8 shillings, like it just did last week, for me, it goes up by 2 shillings, by 6 shillings, because I get a 2 shilling discount on every single drop of fuel that I put in the bike because of the company that I use, Rubis, formerly Kenol Kobil. I feel like Kenol Kobil was such a better name than Rubis, but it's okay. So at least I get that, and then over time, that's like a really good thing. And I keep telling guys, do it. Like there's nothing, especially if you spend as much on fuel as I do. There's no reason why you shouldn't do that. Why wouldn't you want a discount on fuel? I don't understand. It's like the most necessary thing that you've got to use if you're transporting yourself. I don't understand why you wouldn't get one of those cards. Anyway, what was this conversation even about? Hedging. Yeah, I wish we could hedge against these big swings in the price of fuel, because it went up by a lot. 8 shillings, and my tank is 15 liters. It's a big amount of money for fuel to go up by. But anyway, it's fine though, it's fine. Can I split over here? I'm just going to do it. It's fine. So come with me, let's fuel, let's see what we can do. I'm just advertising this Rubis company for free. They don't even pay me, but I'm just telling you guys that genuinely they have a very good product in the market, and I've been using it for years and years and years, and I have no complaints. And this is genuine consumer advice, especially for people who ride around a lot. So why not? You're just there like fueling at full price all the time. Why not try and get a discount? It'll pay for itself. In a couple of years, it'll definitely pay for itself. These Kenol Kobil fuel stations, the architect, whoever designed them, was kind of legit genius. Look at it. Can you see it? Just compare it to what the Rubis one looks like. It's such a nice looking fuel station. And they all used to look like this until Rubis came through and just made them the most generic white looking things. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Sasa utajaza la 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 da 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 da.
Yeah. Haya.
Hamjafanyiwa renovation hapa ama wanakam? Oh. Napenda hii design ya kitambo sana. Hawafai kuitoa. Hii design iko juu sana.
Hata sisi huku kukinyesha.
Oh, inakuja hapa ndani. Oh no, poleni sana. Oh. Oh. Sawa hapo, sawa.
Sasa wewe umefukua rongi unaanza kufanya nini?
Nasema nini?
Nasema si uvuke zipo. Hata kutuonyesha nini? Hakuna.
Funga ya nyanya imekuwa kwa nini?
Unatuonyesha nini? Kuna nini?
Nitaweka tu pin. Asante sana. Nice. Now I need to put air in my tires. Haifanyi? Oh, sawa poa. Come on. Come on, Rubis. Wow, Rubis. After I've bigged you up. After I've gassed these guys up so much, their air doesn't even work. Let me try the other one. Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yes. Nice. Very nice, actually. Wow, that billboard says 800 shillings for 2 ice creams. Is that a good deal? Would you advertise that on a billboard? I don't know, man. The pizza deal there looks better. 550 for medium classic pizza. Is that cheap? I don't know. I used to eat a lot of Dominos because they opened just down the road from my house on Gong Road, and I used to order all the time, but I haven't done that in like a year or 2 years. So I don't know if 550 is what I used to pay, but anyway, I don't know. The ice cream deal seems a bit dear. a bit expensive. 800 bob for 2 ice creams. Jeez, man. It's a lot. Do they still sing? You know Coldstone? The few times I've gone there, it's super awkward because they just randomly start singing. Even if you're the only person who's there. And I'm saying this from experience because there was a time that I was literally the only person in the Coldstone and the employees were singing. So I'm like, am I supposed to sing along? Am I supposed to clap after they're done? What exactly is supposed to happen? It doesn't make sense. In any case, I just sat there awkwardly and felt like I needed to leave. Anyway, it was good ice cream. Haven't had it in a very long time though. Bro, you've taken long to fill your tires. Yay, thank you, bro. Bye. My turn now. My turn. Alright then. Go, 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 go. Bye. Thank you. Oh. Just gonna put 35. Guys, I'm done with this vlog. See you. Peace out.